Hey guys, my name is Eda and welcome to our channel What Happens If. Today we are gonna see what happens if we freeze slime. So we made this slime before and we're gonna put it in a recipient. Super! We're just gonna put the lid on and let's put it in the freezer. So we have our slime and we put it right here. Now, see you in a couple of hours. So here we are again, guys, a whole day later. Let's see how our frozen slime looks like. So this is the recipient that we put in. Oh, it's frozen. It really is frozen. Let's see if we can... it seems that we're gonna need a bit of help. So let's bring in the professionals. So we have here Vlad, my loving husband, who is gonna help us open the jar. As you can see, we took all measurements and precautions in order for neither us or the slime to get hurt during this process.
Oh yes, this include a plate bonnet, put it on my head, which was supposed to be put it on plates in the fridge, but I put it on my plate head because she didn't find a normal one. We have also protection glasses, protection mask, blah blah blah, and the fire extinguisher. It isn't like we really need it, but it's very useful to be there between my family eggs and the whiskey bottle, especially after filming. So please remember, these are very dangerous actions and don't try this at home. We literally took all the protection measurements as it can be seen. Oh boy.
Ah, it worked.
Now I must take it out.
And now we should be able to push it out. And this is our frozen slime. How does it feel, Vlad?
In this moment the slime is as hard as a stone, because in the freezer there are -20 degrees, and you probably know slime contains water, which now is frozen. The only thing that helped us to pull it out, it was our inspiration to oil the wall in the recipient so I can push it out easier. As you can observe, it can be pressed by hand, so let's see what happens if we smash it with the hammer. This point is very interesting. I expected to deform it at least a little bit, but absolutely nothing happened. No cracks, no deformation, and trust me, I smashed it as hard as I could, of course without waking up the neighbors. And here I am trying to understand how the material reacts to different physical factors like drilling, combining physics with fun. It's quite hard even to give a hole in it. No. See?
Oh wow. I was not expecting that to happen.
There is absolutely no chance to put a hole in it. In order to find out what's happening if I'm trying to stretch it, I need 2 points of contact, so I improvise with these 2 long screws inserted at opposite sides.
So what he's doing now, he's gonna try to test if the slime is still elastic enough. And it still stretches. But is it me, Vlad, or does the slime melt pretty fast?
Yes, actually it's starting to melt, but still, when you apply a very strong force and very rapidly, it's strong like a rock. But if you maneuver it softly, it is quite elastic. Still, is 10 times, 20 times stronger.
So you could break someone's head with that.
Not exactly, but it's quite strong. It is very strong.
Can we try and cut it?
Let's try to cut it. And now we will try to cut it to see how it's gonna be. Yeah, actually it cuts very well. 10 times better when it's hard.
I can notice that it doesn't stick to the knife either.
No. It's absolutely no sticky at all. But now it starts to be a little bit warmer. And its elasticity, it's coming to be normal.
So it slowly but surely gets back to its original shape.
Yes, exactly. And as you can see, it started to stick together. These different pieces. Instead, when it was frozen, completely frozen, it couldn't stick any pieces at all and melt it together. See, as you can see,
It takes the shape of the object.
exactly. But it's softer now.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you freeze slime. And stay tuned, subscribe, and hope to see you on our next videos. Bye bye!